Hello my PC students, this is another practice on freezing the row, freezing the column. So go to File, go to Open and Browse, and now go to your classes drive, go to your PC folder and go to Teaching Documents, and now look for the file called XYZ Tool Rental. So it should be right down here at the bottom. XYZ, we open it up. And first of all, let's go File, Save As, and you're going to go to Browse, and you're going to go to your name, Print Communications, and Excel. Click in the File Name box, press Home, type in your name and the current date for you. Yours will be different than mine, and save it. Alright, so now let's go to View, let's go to Zoom, and put in, I think in this case we'll put in 150. Again, it just makes it easier for you to see. Okay, so here we have the price per hour. So let's make that into accounting format right now. So right click and let's go to Format Cells, and we want accounting, and whoa, I missed it, accounting, $ in 2 decimal places, and then we will take out the $ here as we don't need them. So right click, go to Format Cells, and accounting, 2 decimal places but no $. Okay, so if you're going to rent an item, this aerator, it's $13.50 an hour. If you're going to rent this one, the split drive, you're $18 an hour. And we have varying prices here, okay? So the number of hours could be 4, 8, 24, 48, or 72. Alright, so what are we going to do to calculate this right quickly? Well, we want to put in equals, and we want to take the price per hour, but we've got to stay in this column, right? So it has to be absolute. The A has to be in front of the 4. Alright, and you've got to take that times the number of hours, but we have to stay in this row. So we have to freeze the row. So you see the $ in front of the 3. Alright, so now we got $54. That's right. Grab your fill handle, drag down, and now drag to the right. Okay, I don't need a $, so I'm going to pick up this, go to Home, double click on my paintbrush, and paint these down. Alright, and now we want to widen, turn your paintbrush off, widen the columns here so that you can see all the values. So now let's take a look at it. Control F single quote. Okay, I'm going to size this down so that you can see what we have, and I can size this down a little bit. Alright, so now we have 13.5 times 4, 10.75 times 4, 25.5 times 4, so you can see it working. Now here you're multiplying by 8 every time with a different price, but you didn't go out of that column. You're multiplying by 24 here, and you're multiplying by the items in the column. And the same here, we're multiplying by 48, but we're also taking the price per hour. And then in column G, we're multiplying by 72, but again, picking up the price per hour. So very easy for you to make a chart as long as you freeze the row, freeze the column, freeze the row. Alright, and we've got it all formatted. I need to widen that so that you can see it, and I need to widen this, and now everything looks good. Alright, you're ready to print. You can do your own headers and footers, so save your work, and we will stop there.